So on this episode, we are making a Dark Souls quick shot. It's because there's Dark Souls Remastered and the Dark Souls Trilogy coming out very soon. So we're going to be making delicious shots right after this. Welcome back, guys. Tom here from the Geeky Drinkers and my awesome co-host,
Shelle-Chii.
I am. And we are making Dark Souls shots. You are.
Oh, I'm going to be making
You're
it.
making
Oh,
them.
I'm making it. Okay.
Absolutely.
So,
what do you make?
this is going to be a shot based off of the spell remedy. So nice and, refreshing and nourishing. Probably not very nourishing, but that's
It'll be
okay.
delicious.
Yeah, it'll be delicious nevertheless. So, we're going to start off with a shaker. Put some loud ice into the shaker. It's like anti-MSMR.
Definitely.
It's like, oh god, oh no, it sounds so bad. So over that ice, we are going to pour 1 ounce of blue sourpuss, because it's so delicious.
It's pretty tasty.
And refreshing. And it's my favorite kind of sourpuss.
Yeah, the blue one's definitely good.
It's the best. The next thing we're adding in, woo!
Yeah, that's nice and full.
I was gonna say,
I just refilled that.
Woo! But it wasn't a new crack there, so it confused me as to why it was so full. It was just like, oh, why is there so much? Oh, gosh. Alrighty,
So,
1 ounce of blue Curaçao. Delicious. Again, delicious and refreshing.
Definitely.
And then we're going to splash a little bit of clear pop. I know ginger ale isn't technically clear, but it's a light pop.
It's a lighter pop.
A non-dark pop. Just a splash.
Yep.
Because these are shots. It's not a cocktail, guys. Come
Definitely.
on. So.
Oh, you shouldn't have done...
I'm not gonna shake it.
Okay,
don't worry.
okay.
He's like,
I was like,
"Ah,
you'll explode.
It'll explode everywhere. So what you do is you do not put this top on because you will be tempted to shake it, man. I swear to God. Stir.
Just have it.
It's
Pop.
It's stirred, not shaken.
There you
So
go.
pop that on there to serve it, not to stir it. I mean, shake it.
There you go.
Isn't that a beautiful
That's
blue?
deliciously
Doesn't that look refreshing?
Yep.
You get the extra.
Yeah, mine's way more than yours.
Yours is huge. Oh my God, look at that.
Nice.
Yas.
So check that out,
There we have it.
guys.
The spell remedy.
Bam.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You have to
Bottoms
do
up,
that
guys.
all in one. It was like 2 gulps.
Did not die like I did in the episode I will put up here. Holy crap.
It was really funny.
Update, guys. I did not die. I just breathed the shot in. It's actually a
The
delicious
shot was really good.
Yeah, it's called the Lord of Cinder. It was delicious. So, yeah. So those are the spell remedy for Dark Souls.
Give it a shot, guys.
And we will see you next time. Stay geeky,
Stay geeky.
guys.